Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create and customize list views in Salesforce, an essential skill for any admin who wants to manage data efficiently. Whether it's accounts, opportunities, or leads, list views help you focus on exactly what matters, saving time and making your workflow smoother. To start, click on the app launcher. This is your gateway to all the objects in Salesforce. Pick the object you want to work with, maybe accounts, opportunities, or leads. These are where all your core data lives. Next, look to the upper right corner and click the gear icon. From the drop-down, select New. This is where you begin crafting your custom list view. Give your list a meaningful name, perhaps Open Opportunities this month. Salesforce will automatically generate the API name for you, which is a handy time saver. Decide who should see this list. You can keep it private, share it with all users, or select specific groups. Choose the option that fits your needs, then click Save. Now it's time to filter your data. Click the filter icon, which looks like a funnel. Add filters to narrow your records, maybe by stage, like prospecting, or by a specific close date. Filters help you focus on exactly the data you need. Once you're happy with your setup, click Done, and don't forget to hit Save. Next, let's customize which fields appear in your list view. Click the gear icon again and select Fields to Display. You'll see available fields on one side and visible fields on the other. Move the most relevant fields to the visible column and arrange their order with the arrows to make your list clear and readable. When everything looks perfect, click Save. And that's it. You now have a powerful, fully customized list view that streamlines your workflow and helps you make data-driven decisions faster. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Salesforce admin tips. Happy administrating!